Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to fill up an e-arrival card when you travel to India. As a family, before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. So guys, the government of India has launched this process earlier when you arrive at Indian border, let's say at New Delhi International Airport, you had to fill up an arrival card. So the biggest struggle I have seen this in finding out a pen. Yes, it's funny, but it's reality. I have gone through that myself. But now with this e-arrival form that you can fill up to 72 hours before your journey, you can go there and you can just scan the QR code that you will receive after this. So the immigration officers there, they'll have all your information that they need. Of course, they can ask for some changes and they can ask for some questions if they really feel like. So I've already made a video how you can do it for an individual, but now for a family. So let's say you are a family of two, okay, husband and a wife. So when you open this page, you see you have this section add member. So this is the key. Okay. You can even add more or previous member before you can add new one. That's fine. So the person who's going to be representative that you can do. For example, full name they have asked. Okay. Nationality. So let's say you are Canadian national. Passport number, very important, guys. No mistake in this. In fact, in any field, whatever it is, do it. Okay. Let's say you're going for tourism, so select tourist. Date of arrival. So let's say you're coming here on this day. Country visited last 6 days. If you have not visited any, just select this. Address in India where you're gonna stay. Okay. So do it as per your own case. I'm just putting this. Whatever it is. Email account is very important because this is where your QR code and confirmation will come. Contact. So you can select your country code. Like what I have seen that Indian immigration officers generally prefer Indian number. So if you have an Indian number, provide that. Otherwise, you can put your non-Indian number too. That is equally valid. But yeah, having this is much better. Emergency contact number also they prefer Indian generally. But as I said, you can use non-Indian too. It's fine. They are very accommodating as far as my experience has been. Family member, let's say you have a wife, asthma, traveling together, passport detail, nationality. Okay. Now you want to add more family member, you can always do. If you want to take someone off like this, you're going to go enter the captcha, checkbox and submit. So I'm not going to do that, but you got an idea how to do this. So this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it, and thanks for watching this video. And in case you want to make any change in this form after you submit, you can come here in passport number, select the passport number that you fill up here, nationality, capture, and then search, and you can make changes. That is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.